ZoomInfo Marketing Online Training. How can ZoomInfo Marketing help improve your lead generation? ZoomInfo Marketing can significantly improve your lead generation efforts by providing data-driven insights and tools that enhance the targeting, qualification, and nurturing of prospects. Here are some key ways ZoomInfo can help. Data enrichment. ZoomInfo offers access to a vast database of company and contact information. This helps enrich your existing leads and prospects, providing up-to-date and accurate contact details, job titles, and company data. By ensuring your database is complete and accurate, you can target the right audience more effectively. Advanced search and filtering. With powerful search and filtering tools, ZoomInfo allows you to segment your audience by various criteria, such as industry, company size, location, and job titles. This allows for hyper-targeted campaigns, ensuring that your marketing efforts reach the most relevant leads. Intent data. ZoomInfo's intent data features can identify when potential customers are actively researching solutions related to your product or service. This provides insights into which leads are most likely to convert, allowing you to prioritize high-intent prospects and tailor your outreach strategies accordingly. Lead scoring and prioritization. ZoomInfo uses machine learning and predictive analytics to help score and rank leads based on their likelihood to convert. This helps you focus on leads with the highest potential, optimizing your sales and marketing resources. Sales and marketing alignment. With ZoomInfo's integration capabilities, marketing and sales teams can collaborate more effectively. It helps streamline lead handoff processes and ensures that marketing qualified leads, MQLs, are passed to sales teams with sufficient data to facilitate a smooth follow-up. Automated outreach and campaigns. ZoomInfo's platform can integrate with your CRM and marketing automation tools, enabling automated outreach. This can include personalized email campaigns, follow-up sequences, and automated responses based on prospect behavior, enhancing lead nurturing and improving engagement. Real-time insights and reporting. ZoomInfo provides real-time reporting and analytics that help you track the performance of your lead generation campaigns. By analyzing these insights, you can optimize your strategy, refine targeting, and measure ROI. Prospect intelligence. By gaining access to detailed information about potential customers, such as company financials, tech stack, and growth trends, you can tailor your messaging to better resonate with specific business needs and pain points, leading to higher engagement rates. What are the key features of ZoomInfo for targeted marketing campaigns? ZoomInfo offers a comprehensive suite of features that can greatly enhance targeted marketing campaigns. Here are the key features that make ZoomInfo a valuable tool for marketing. Advanced search and segmentation. ZoomInfo allows you to create highly specific audience segments by filtering based on various criteria such as industry, company size, geography, job title, and more. This enables precise targeting for campaigns. Comprehensive contact database. With millions of contact records, ZoomInfo provides access to up-to-date business and contact information, ensuring your marketing efforts reach the right decision-makers. Intent data. ZoomInfo tracks and provides intent data, which helps identify organizations showing interest in specific products or services. This allows you to focus on prospects who are more likely to convert. Company and contact insights. Detailed profiles on companies and contacts offer valuable context, including company revenue, technology stack, key decision makers, and recent business changes. These insights help in crafting personalized messages. Automated outreach and engagement. ZoomInfo integrates with email marketing platforms and CRM systems, enabling seamless automation of outreach campaigns, tracking of responses, and follow-up actions. Lead scoring and qualification. The platform uses predictive analytics to assess leads based on engagement and other key factors, helping prioritize high-potential prospects for your marketing campaigns. CRM and marketing automation integrations. ZoomInfo integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce and marketing automation tools such as HubSpot, allowing you to centralize your marketing and sales data for better collaboration and workflow automation. Customizable alerts and notifications. You can set up notifications for when targeted companies or contacts trigger specific behaviors, such as leadership changes or product launches, enabling timely outreach. Data enrichment. ZoomInfo can enhance your existing data by filling in gaps with updated and accurate contact and company information, ensuring your lists are always current and complete. Account-based marketing, ABM, support. ZoomInfo offers tools for executing ABM strategies, including identifying key accounts, understanding their needs, and tracking interactions, which improves the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. How does ZoomInfo enhance customer segmentation for marketing teams? ZoomInfo enhances customer segmentation for marketing teams by providing access to detailed and accurate business data, enabling more precise targeting and personalization. Here are some key ways ZoomInfo supports segmentation. Rich data insights. ZoomInfo offers access to a vast database of company and contact information, including demographics, firmographics, and technographics. Marketing teams can use this data to create customer segments based on industry, company size, revenue, technology usage, and more. Intent data. ZoomInfo provides intent data, which signals when a company is showing interest in a particular product or service. This helps marketing teams to segment and prioritize leads who are actively researching topics relevant to their offerings, making it easier to target the right prospects at the right time. Advanced filtering and segmentation. Marketing teams can leverage advanced search and filtering capabilities within ZoomInfo to build highly specific segments based on multiple criteria. This granular segmentation allows teams to tailor their marketing efforts more effectively. CRM and marketing automation integration. ZoomInfo integrates seamlessly with CRM and marketing automation tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Marketo. This integration allows marketing teams to enrich their existing customer data with ZoomInfo's information, improving segmentation and enabling more personalized campaigns. Lookalike modeling. ZoomInfo's platform includes AI-powered tools that help identify lookalike customers. Marketing teams can upload their existing customer lists, and ZoomInfo will use AI to find similar companies and contacts, enabling efficient prospecting and segmentation. Enriched profiles for personalization. With ZoomInfo's detailed contact profiles, Marketing teams can segment customers based on specific attributes like job role, purchasing behavior, and more. This enables highly personalized outreach and better customer engagement. What role does ZoomInfo play in B2B sales and marketing alignment? ZoomInfo plays a significant role in aligning B2B sales and marketing teams by providing critical data and insights that enhance both prospecting and lead generation efforts. Here's how it contributes to sales and marketing alignment. Data enrichment. ZoomInfo offers comprehensive and accurate company and contact data. By enriching customer profiles with real-time updates on prospects' organizational structures, decision-makers, and contact information, it ensures both sales and marketing teams are working with the same reliable data. Targeting and segmentation. Sales and marketing teams can use ZoomInfo's advanced filters and segmentation tools to target high-quality leads. Marketing can build campaigns around the most relevant buyer personas, while sales can focus their outreach efforts on the most promising leads. Lead generation and qualification. ZoomInfo helps marketing teams to generate and qualify leads efficiently, ensuring that the leads passed to sales are well-researched and fit the ideal customer profile. It reduces wasted effort and helps both teams focus on high-value prospects. Account-based marketing. ABM ZoomInfo supports ABM strategies by allowing both sales and marketing teams to target specific accounts with tailored messaging. The tool helps identify key decision-makers, gather firmographic details, and tailor communication strategies for each account. Sales intelligence. The platform provides deep insights into prospects, including their technology stack, business challenges, and purchasing behaviors, enabling the sales team to tailor their pitches. This data also helps marketing teams create relevant content that addresses these pain points. Streamlining communication. ZoomInfo ensures that both teams are aligned on lead status, making it easier to hand off leads and track their progress. It provides visibility into lead behavior, allowing sales and marketing to collaborate on next steps and refine strategies. Analytics and reporting. With ZoomInfo's analytics and reporting tools, both teams can track the effectiveness of campaigns, monitor pipeline health, and make data-driven decisions to improve strategies and close rates. How does ZoomInfo leverage data enrichment for better marketing insights? ZoomInfo leverages data enrichment to enhance marketing insights by integrating various data sources to build a more comprehensive and accurate profile of businesses and individuals. Here's how it works. Data collection and aggregation. ZoomInfo gathers data from a wide range of sources, such as company websites, public records, news sources, and third-party data providers. This data includes company details, example, size, industry, revenue, and contact information, example, emails, phone numbers, social profiles. Data enrichment. Using proprietary algorithms and partnerships with other data providers, ZoomInfo enriches existing data sets with additional information. For example, if a company's data is missing details about its key decision-makers, ZoomInfo can identify and add those insights. Real-time updates. ZoomInfo continuously updates its database, ensuring that businesses have the most current and relevant data available. This real-time data enhancement helps marketers target the right individuals and companies, as well as make more informed decisions about their campaigns. Segmentation and targeting. By enriching the data with attributes like buying intent, firmographics, company size, location, etc., and technographics, the technologies companies use, ZoomInfo helps marketers segment their audience more precisely. This enables more personalized and effective outreach. Lead scoring and qualification. Enriched data allows for more accurate lead scoring by providing deeper insights into lead behavior, company health, and decision-maker involvement. Marketers can prioritize leads based on how likely they are to convert, improving sales efficiency. Improved campaign ROI. With richer data, marketing teams can craft better targeted campaigns, optimize messaging, and allocate resources more effectively. Data-driven strategies lead to higher engagement, conversion rates, and a better return on investment (ROI). Integration with marketing tools. ZoomInfo integrates seamlessly with popular marketing platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Marketo, allowing teams to sync enriched data directly into their workflows. This provides a more streamlined experience for managing and acting on insights. What are the best strategies for integrating ZoomInfo with your CRM? Integrating ZoomInfo with your CRM can significantly improve your lead generation, sales pipeline management, and overall efficiency by ensuring that your CRM data is enriched with valuable insights from ZoomInfo's vast database. Here are some best strategies for a successful integration. 1. Define your integration goals. Identify use cases. Understand how you want ZoomInfo to enhance your CRM workflows. This could include enriching lead data, improving sales prospecting, or automating data updates. Set KPIs. Define metrics to measure the success of the integration, such as lead conversion rates, time saved in manual data entry, or improvements in sales outreach. 2. Choose the right integration method. Native integrations. ZoomInfo offers native integrations with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Microsoft Dynamics. This is the easiest and most seamless option if your CRM is supported. API integration. For custom CRMs or more advanced use cases, using ZoomInfo's API can provide more flexibility in how data is synced between ZoomInfo and your CRM. Third-party integration tools. Tools like Zapier or MuleSoft can facilitate integration if your CRM does not have a direct native connection with ZoomInfo. 3. Map CRM fields to ZoomInfo data. Lead enrichment. Ensure that fields like company size, industry, revenue, and employee count are properly mapped between ZoomInfo and your CRM. Custom fields. If your CRM has custom fields that ZoomInfo data needs to fill, configure the integration to ensure proper mapping. Data accuracy. Make sure that ZoomInfo data overrides or supplements CRM data only when necessary. Set rules to avoid duplication or inaccurate information. 4. Automate data enrichment. Lead enrichment workflow. Set up automation rules to automatically enrich new leads or contacts in your CRM with ZoomInfo's company and contact data. Syncing contacts and accounts. Automate the syncing of contacts and accounts between ZoomInfo and your CRM so both platforms have up-to-date and consistent information. 5. Segment and prioritize leads. Lead scoring. Use ZoomInfo's data to refine lead scoring in your CRM, such as segmenting leads by company size, industry, or recent funding. Targeted outreach. Integrate enriched ZoomInfo data to create highly targeted sales campaigns based on demographics, firmographics, and intent data. 6. Maintain data quality. Data deduplication. Set up processes to handle duplicate records and ensure that ZoomInfo's data doesn't conflict with CRM data. Regular updates. Automate regular data refreshes from ZoomInfo to keep CRM records up to date with the latest contact and company details. 7. Train your team. Educate sales and marketing teams. Ensure that sales reps and marketers understand how to leverage enriched data in their workflows. Provide training on using the new data to make informed decisions. Best practices. Share best practices for using ZoomInfo data, such as how to prioritize leads, how to avoid overloading CRM fields, and how to use new data points for personalization. How can ZoomInfo help optimize email marketing campaigns? ZoomInfo can optimize email marketing campaigns by providing actionable insights, data-driven strategies, and targeted audience segmentation. Here's how it can help. Targeted prospect lists. ZoomInfo offers access to an extensive database of businesses and professionals, allowing you to create highly targeted prospect lists for your email campaigns. By filtering contacts based on criteria such as industry, job title, company size, and location, you can ensure that your emails reach the right audience. Data enrichment. With ZoomInfo's data enrichment tools, you can enhance your existing contact lists with up-to-date and accurate information. This improves the relevance of your email content, increasing the chances of engagement and conversions. Segmentation and personalization. ZoomInfo's platform allows you to segment contacts more effectively based on specific data points. By creating more personalized email campaigns tailored to the needs and characteristics of each segment, you can boost open rates and engagement. Buyer intent signals. ZoomInfo provides insights into potential buyers who are actively researching or showing intent to purchase in specific areas, allowing you to time your email campaigns when prospects are most likely to engage. Automated campaign tracking. ZoomInfo integrates with various marketing automation platforms, enabling you to track email campaign performance. You can analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and responses, which helps in refining your campaigns for better results. Lead scoring and prioritization. By scoring leads based on their likelihood to convert, ZoomInfo helps prioritize which contacts should receive your emails first. This ensures your resources are focused on high-potential leads, improving overall campaign efficiency. Competitive intelligence. ZoomInfo's competitive intelligence features help you monitor your competitors and their email marketing strategies. This can guide you in crafting campaigns that differentiate your brand and improve engagement. Why choose ProExcellency for ZoomInfo Marketing Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for ZoomInfo Marketing Online Training can offer several key advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency offers instructors who are industry experts with extensive experience in ZoomInfo marketing tools and strategies. They provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights to help you maximize the platform's capabilities. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential aspects of ZoomInfo marketing, including lead generation, data enrichment, segmentation, and personalized marketing techniques, ensuring that you acquire a well-rounded skill set. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency emphasizes practical learning, allowing you to work with real-world use cases and scenarios, which enhances your ability to implement strategies effectively in your own marketing campaigns. Customized learning paths. Whether you're new to ZoomInfo or looking to refine your skills, ProExcellency tailors its training to suit different experience levels, helping both beginners and advanced users achieve their goals. Flexible online access. With online training options, you can access materials and sessions from anywhere, making it easier to fit learning into your schedule. Post-training support. ProExcellency provides ongoing support and resources after the training, allowing you to ask questions and get guidance as you apply the skills learned in the real world. Affordable and value-oriented, the training is competitively priced, offering high-quality education and practical knowledge without a premium price tag. Thank you.